It's only once. So I wrote it twice. It will be only once because first row with the first column, second row with the first column. Okay. Now look at, I said BA. Now when you look for BA, you write B first and then A. Here the order is 2 by 1. Here the order is 2 by 2. So do you get a smiley? Small smiley? No. Because here it is 1, here it's 2. So you don't get the same number. So you write BA is not possible. And when you write it's not possible, you have to give a reason. Since number of columns in B is not equal to number of rows in A. So BA is not possible. Okay, so I just said they are not commutative, leave alone being commutative, they cannot be multiplied together. So AB you are getting, but BA you cannot multiply, so it's not commutative. Okay, we go for another example. Now here, both are square matrix, 2 by 2. Two by 2. Now here both can be multiplied both ways. Number of columns here is equal to number of rows, you get a smiley. If you turn it around, you will get the same thing. So here AB and BA are both possible. So I will do both. So I repeat, first row with the first column. So first row is 2, first column is 1, plus 1 into 1. This one into this one. Okay? Then first row with the second column. So first row with the second column. The negative number, please do write in bracket. So you know you have to multiply. Then first row with the second row with the first column. So that's A into B. I get into B into A. So B into A, B comes first, and then comes A. Multiplying, now please pay attention, multiplying each row with each column. I am doing the same thing, but with a little different method. Okay? Now look at this. This has to be multiplied with this and this with this. Right? I repeat, first row with the first column, first row with the second column. So every time you have to look for 1 into 2 plus 3 into 0, then 1 into 1 plus 3 into 4. I'm not doing that. I wrote 1 and 3 twice. Now why twice? Because the product will have 2 columns. So I wrote it twice. And then 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. And look at this. I have put in spaces in between. So the spaces, first column is 2 and 0. And then second column is 1 and 4. So you are not looking at it every time while multiplying. So look at this. First row with the first column, 1 into 2 plus 3 into 0, 1 into 1 plus 3 into 4, 1 into 2 minus 2 into 0, 1 into 1 minus 2 into 4. Coming to the same thing. But you are not looking every time you are multiplying. So this is how you can multiply it easily. So this comes to 2 plus 0, minus 0, 1 plus 12, 1 minus 8, come to 2 minus 2, 13 minus 7. Now look at the answers. Is AB equal to BA? See, the corresponding elements are not equal. Here is 3, there is 2. Here is 4, that's 13. So even if we can multiply it in the reverse order, the result may not be the same. Okay? And finally, I come to the square of a matrix. Now when I talk of square of a matrix, keep in mind it is not the square of its element. I repeat, square of a matrix is not the square of its element. So if the matrix A is minus 1, 2, 3, 1, then A square is not equal to the square of the elements. Okay? Then what the square is? So to find A square is A into A. That means the two matrices will be multiplied. So matrix multiplied with itself is the square. Method of multiplication remains the same. So I am doing this minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, multiplied with minus 1 and 3. So this is the square of a matrix. Okay? So basic algebra of matrices. Addition of matrices. Two matrices can be added if they are like. One can be subtracted from the other if they are like. Multiplying a matrix with a scalar. Multiply each and every element with that scalar. Multiplying two matrices together. look at the number of columns of the first matrix. That should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Then only they are multiplied, otherwise not. Matrix multiplication is not commutative, and square of a matrix is not the square of its elements. Okay? It has to be multiplied together. Is that okay? I think I leave it here. I will do the sums next class. Basically, these are the sums. That's it.